Most people get this wrong. Nah. They think an 800 credit score is about using credit more, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking fast actions lead to elite credit results. In this video, you'll learn exactly what it takes to reach an 800 credit score in 2026, and what separates average credit from excellent credit. Let's be real first. An 800 credit score is not random. It is the result of years of consistent financial behavior. Lenders see you as extremely low risk, almost perfect in repayment behavior. Now here's where it gets interesting. Only a small percentage of people ever reach 800 because they ignore the habits that actually matter. First factor: perfect payment history. For someone like Alex who wants elite credit, every single payment must be on time. Not almost on time. Not sometimes. Always. But here's the problem. Most people underestimate how much one missed payment can damage long-term credit momentum. It can take months or even years to fully recover. Second factor: extremely low credit utilization. To reach 800, it is not enough to stay under 30%. You should aim for under 10% most of the time. For example, Jake might have a $5,000 limit. Using only $200 to $300 keeps his profile extremely strong. In a minute, I'll show you how high-score users manage spending without restricting their daily life. Third factor: long credit history. Time matters more than people think. An 800 score usually requires multiple years of active credit accounts. That means closing old accounts too early can actually hurt your long-term score potential. Fourth factor: credit diversity. For John, having only one credit card is fine at the start, but elite credit profiles often include multiple types of credit, like cards and installment accounts. But here's the key. You do not need many accounts. You need well-managed accounts. Fifth factor: minimal, hard inquiries. People chasing 800 credit scores avoid unnecessary applications. Each inquiry slightly impacts your profile, especially in the short term. Now let's talk about what actually separates a 700 from an 800. It is not dramatic actions. It is consistency over time. People at 800 are not doing anything special every month. They are just doing simple things perfectly for a long period. Pay on time. Keep balances low. Avoid unnecessary debt. Let accounts age. But here's where most people fail. They try to rush it by opening too many accounts or carrying balances, thinking it builds history faster. Instead, it creates instability in their profile. Now here is the realistic strategy. Focus on one or two strong credit accounts. Use them lightly every month. Pay them in full. Repeat this cycle for years. Let's summarize everything clearly. An 800 credit score in 2026 is not built with tricks. It is built with discipline, time, low utilization, and perfect payment habits repeated consistently. If this helped you understand what it really takes to reach 800, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit guides like this.